Our planet, Earth, has existed for billions of years, a silent witness to the rise and fall of countless life forms. From the smallest microorganisms to the most colossal dinosaurs, species have emerged, thrived, and ultimately vanished. We, humanity, with our complex societies and intricate technologies, now stand as the dominant species on this planet. But our reign, like those who came before us, is finite. This is the story of what happens after our time comes to an end. Imagine a world devoid of human presence, where the symphony of nature plays on without an audience. This is Earth after humans. This is not a tale of how we might vanish, but rather an exploration of what might transpire in our absence. The Earth, in its immensity, has a remarkable ability to heal and adapt. Over millennia, the traces of our existence would be slowly erased, overtaken by the relentless forces of nature. Cities would crumble, forests would reclaim their dominion, and new ecosystems would emerge from the ruins of our civilization. This is a journey through time, a glimpse into a future both unsettling and awe-inspiring. The moment humans vanish, the world as we know it changes. Buildings no longer maintained begin their slow decay. Roads, once arteries of bustling activity, fall silent, slowly reclaimed by nature. But the most immediate changes are not always the most visible. Power grids reliant on human intervention shut down. Lights across cities go dark, plunging the world into an unfamiliar darkness. Nuclear power plants, without human oversight, pose a significant risk. Meltdowns become a chilling possibility, releasing harmful radiation into the environment. The delicate balance of ecosystems, already strained by human activity, is thrown into disarray. Domesticated animals dependent on human care face an uncertain future. Some, like dogs and cats, might adapt, forming feral populations. Others, less equipped for survival in the wild, would likely perish. Industrial facilities, no longer controlled, spew pollutants into the air and water. Chemical spills and uncontrolled fires further contaminate the environment, leaving behind a toxic legacy of our fleeting presence. Within a century, the Earth begins to erase the visible scars of human civilization. Buildings exposed to the relentless forces of wind, rain, and vegetation crumble and decay. Skylines, once symbols of human ambition, transform into eerie skeletons of steel and concrete. Nature, ever persistent, seeps into every crack and crevice. Vines crawl up walls, their emerald tendrils prying apart bricks and mortar. Trees take root in unlikely places, their roots burrowing deep into the foundations of forgotten structures. Animals, no longer confined by human boundaries, reclaim their ancestral territories. Deer graze in suburban gardens, their hooves clicking against cracked pavement. Wolves, emboldened by the absence of humans, howl in the night, their calls echoing through deserted streets. The air, once thick with pollutants, slowly clears. The skies, no longer obscured by smog, reveal a brilliance long forgotten. The planet, relieved of human pressure, begins to heal. A millennium after the disappearance of humans, the Earth is a vastly different place. The concrete jungles of our cities have transformed into verdant forests. Rivers, once constrained by concrete banks, flow freely, carving new paths through the decaying remnants of human settlements. The air is clean, the water is pure, and the sounds of nature dominate the landscape. The artifacts of human civilization, however, have not vanished entirely. Structures built with durable materials like stone or stainless steel endure, albeit weathered and worn. The Statue of Liberty, its copper skin now a vibrant green patina, stands as a silent sentinel, a testament to a vanished civilization. Deep underground in abandoned subway tunnels and forgotten bunkers, remnants of human life persist. Preserved from the elements, these artifacts offer tantalizing glimpses into our past, a treasure trove of information for any future intelligence that might stumble upon them. Section 5. 10 millennia later, echoes in the Earth. 10,000 years after the last human takes a breath, the planet has entered a new geological epoch. The traces of our presence are becoming increasingly faint, buried beneath layers of sediment and the relentless march of time. Coastlines have shifted dramatically as ice caps melt and sea levels rise, submerging coastal cities and reshaping continents. The Earth's climate, no longer influenced by human activities, has stabilized, albeit with a warmer average temperature. Yet even after 10,000 years, some human-made structures stubbornly resist the ravages of time. The Great Wall of China, snaking across the landscape for thousands of miles, remains a visible scar, a testament to human ingenuity and ambition. Deep beneath the surface, in landfills and waste disposal sites, the remnants of our consumer culture persist. Plastics, designed to last for centuries, decompose at a glacial pace, leaving behind a legacy of our unsustainable practices. Over 1 million years, the Earth continues its dance through the cosmos. Mountains rise and erode, rivers carve new paths, and glaciers advance and retreat. Life adapts, evolves, and sometimes disappears, leaving behind traces of its existence. Our planet, ever dynamic, shapes and reshapes the tapestry of life. Human civilizations, in their brief tenure, leave an indelible mark. Cities rise and fall, cultures flourish and fade, yet the Earth endures. Our monuments, our legacies may crumble, but the planet remains, a silent witness to our fleeting presence. As we look to the future, our actions today will echo through the ages. Sustainable practices, innovative technologies, and a deeper respect for our environment can pave the way for a brighter tomorrow. It's up to us to illuminate the path forward, ensuring that our impact is one of positive change. In the end, all that remains of us may be dust scattered across the earth, but within that dust lies our story, a testament to our existence. Our legacy is written in the soil, the rocks, and the air. It is a reminder that while we are ephemeral, the planet we inhabit is enduring.